Hiccup wing glider.
Very good.
The horizon awaits, Vikings. Let's get you flying.
My hands are on the 1 foot. Oh God.
Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet.
This is weak.
I almost forgot the wings. Glad I checked my trolley.
Hey, Finn.
These wings will give you a dragon-sized view of Earth, without all the chafing from this game.
Oh.
Yeah, this would be a great place to stop. Stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. Joking aside, you really can't be here when he's in there. Oh, not good. Your flying was very impressive, and I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime
Maybe.
you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by.
Did y'all like it?
We'd be glad to fly with
Did
you.
you like it?
Won't we, too?
What'd you rate it 1 to 10?
Hey.
Y'all like it?
I'm